Alright, we're trying it on a different angle this time. Alright, we got, what's in this? I open this up, take a look. You know where thrifters? I found 2 puzzle pieces. Alright, let me set those aside. Start working on this. Let me turn that a little bit. There we go. Alright, going to my bag of tricks here. What I'm doing today is I'm replacing the motor in the back door of our Scion XA. Instructions, don't need them. Here's the motor. I got a brand new motor. I'm going to be putting this in there. Got to take the old one out first though. Let me get to my tools. Just did the other side. That's the other motor. I may or may not post that video. There was a lot of issues I came across that I do not wish to talk about. But now I know how to do it, I'm probably better suited for doing this. Need that. Get all my tools out. I'm going to need that. And one more piece here I'm looking for. A couple more pieces. I need a screwdriver. Where's my, oh, there it is, the Torx. Alright. 2 screws, one here and one here I need to take out. So let me take those out. It's on the out position. Screw 1. Come on. You're just a silly screw. There it goes. Two. Won't need the screwdriver bit for a bit. Now, I need my little pry bar. Pry this off. Little piece of molding. Take that off. This will allow me to lift the door up and out. And now I got to get the door off of here. The door panel. Hear that? That's the door panel popping loose. Alright. There we go. Door panel loose. Lift up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to do this slightly different this time. I'm going to undo this. I learned from the other side that it's very hard to reach this cable from the inside. Plus, afterwards, I'm going to want that loose anyway. There we go. That is out. Oh, dead bugs. Get rid of them. This out of the way. There we go. Now, I got to remove that bracket right there. And that's going to require this. Switch the other way. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can get this out. Alright, that bracket is off. Now, the next thing is I got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts I got to remove. So, I need to get at them. I'm going to slit the plastic right over them. There we go. Those 4 bolts are coming out. Somebody's already been in here. Oh, I know why. Because they were in here looking at this before. So maybe I'll just cut a little more. There, that pulls this out. So I got access to the door panel. Alright, get the ratchet. Start removing these bolts. This one here is a slip bolt, so I don't take it out all the way, I just loosen this one. And it'll slip right back in place. That helps me guide the whole bracket that holds the window in place. Take this one out. Alright. Four bolts out. 3 bolts out. Now, I'll go down in here, reach up inside, hold the window while I'm doing this. There, that slides down. Oh, I almost forgot. God dang it. Forgot one wire. See? There. Hold that up in here. Hit the release on the wire. Well, if I can. There. Wire out. Alright. There, it's loose. Alright. Gotta spin it back to the way it goes. See the other video, I'm going to tell you right now, this is going a lot smoother than the first one. Alright, got it out. Got 4 screws I have to get out, and these may be tight. So, I need to loosen them. They take a Torx wrench. Hear that? Yeah, they're tight. Yeah. Tight little buggers. Alright. This thing is good at taking things out. I'll use this. Alright, 4 screws out. Remove the bracket. Exact same motor. Move back in. Put the screws back in. All going good. I'd say as planned, but who you know me, I don't really plan that well. Sometimes, well, sometimes I do. Now, the gear has to go into that gear. There. That's another mistake I made. Didn't get the gear snapped in there. Alright, it's in there. This up to a nice high torque. And put these in. There we go. Got them in. Now, here comes the next point, is to test this item. Make sure everything works. I need to plug that cord back into there. There. I'm going to take my little control switch. I don't really need this one, but I want to make sure it works. Plug that in. Alright, step up front here, plug the keys in, turn it on. So I have power. Alright. Take it down a ways. Motor's working. Unplug. Maybe. There, unplugged. Turn the power back off. Shouldn't be working with live power. Don't need you beeping. Alright. Now, reverse the process. Put this all back together. Okay, now this goes in here. I'm going to find my bolt hole. My whole bolt hole is like that. I suppose it'd help if I unplug this one. There, unplug that one. Okay, now this lines up like that. Right? Yeah, it lines up like that. So I gotta get this window lifted, lift the window a little bit, slide this in here, slip it into the track, and try to start positioning things. Oh, there it goes. There, that bolt's in. I gotta line up this other two bolts. Right there's one. Don't go that way. Where are you? There. That one's lined up, which means all the rest should be pretty much lined up. Start putting them in. wrench. This one's not lining up very well. I gotta pull on this whole contraption, move it down a little bit. Alright, I think I got it. Get the other three tightened up, and then we'll line up. Well, this bolt should be right where it should be. I'm going to tighten this one up. Snug them down. There. There. And there. Okay, those are it. Alright. Now I gotta put the bracket back on. It holds the door panel on. It goes like this. Okay, get it on there a little bit. Line this one up. There. Alright, now to test it. Pop that back on. Look at that, that lined up perfectly. As opposed to the one I've done last time. Alright, make sure everything works. Up and closed. Alright. Looks like it's working. Open the front door too. Alright. Cover off. Let's put everything back together. Unplug that. Grab the door panel. Hang it back on here. There. Alright. Plug this back in. Pop that in there. Come on, get in there. There. Start putting screws back in. Alright. And we're done. And that's the whole process. Double check it, make sure everything works. Look at it. Window open. Window closed. Alright. That's changing the window motor.